guys, so this is part 2 of this beautiful
video.
No, it
amazing slide.
Sorry about
Part
that,
2,
guys.
and I'll actually
Shush.
taken over Nadia's YouTube channel. If I can get this out, one sec.
Can you actually go it?
Shall I help you?
No, I'm fine. So, we need to
Sure.
give it
Bye
up.
bye.
And
Guys, I need to pause.
Wait, in part 1, if you never knew, but comment down below if you knew in part 1 that they were actually mermaid glitter in the yellow shop.
It looks like mermaid glitter.
Yeah, and it's very, very Byron, and it's very...
Viron. Oh, yeah.
And anyway,
Wait, guys, I'm going
you
to
can't
zoom
be
in
bubble.
again. Oh, I need to zoom in to the actual sign.
Guys, listen to this.
I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I don't really care because we're having the best time in our lives. By the noise.
No.
It's
If you're
like,
wondering what that
No.
crying is, it's just my cousin.
For God's sake. What?
Sorry
say
about
be
that,
quiet?
guys.
Because
Listen to this.
Guys, sorry about that. It's just my cousin and her brother. He's my same age as me, which is 6.
Look how crazy this slime can get. And guys, if you never knew, Zoom and Nadia, that there's bits of clay that have not been mixed in.
I accidentally mixed it
Oh my
in.
gosh, there's something green in it.
What is it? It's just the clay.
Yeah, I
Like-
did green clay. Come on.
No, it mixed up green, but it was meant to.
There's
put-
orange in it.
Wait, guys, listen to this. I don't think you heard that because that wasn't a really good click.
Right, yeah, I can make really good ones. Guys, we're gonna leave this for a few minutes and we'll be back.
So